Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So as you can see behind me, we've got a BMW E92 3 Series, which is in for full front end repair, as well as the wing and the wheel arch and the headlights getting repaired. So this actually happened to one of my friend's cars. So this is one of my friend's cars, and he's currently in Switzerland. So he's going to be coming back pretty soon. And on his way back, he's going to come back to a car with no bumper and no wing. So we'll stay tuned to see his reaction to that. However, this got damaged on a driveway and it wasn't actually hit by any other car. So I'll show you a picture of how it got damaged first. So here is the picture of how it got damaged. So he parked it on this driveway and the driveway pretty much damaged his car. So today he's brought it to Alpha Customs and we're going to get this fixed. As well as getting this fixed, we're actually going to modify this car, and it's no longer going to stay as a standard M Sport car. It's going to have something different. As well as this, the back is going to get transformed, the sides are going to get transformed. So stay tuned, and these videos are going to be put into 3 sets or maybe 2 sets of videos, so that you can watch the whole transformation of this build, or this rebuild as you can say. So let's get straight into it. If you are new to this channel, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment if you like content like this. So as you can see here, this is the headlight. The headlight brackets are all damaged, and as you can see here, the headlight is actually loose and it's just coming off. The wing has pretty much been split into 2, as you can see there, and the wing is pretty much joined onto the bumper. The bumper is fully damaged below, so as you can see, it's been creased out, and there's a few marks here and a few marks here as well, and it's pretty much been scraped off. But this, I believe, was a pre-existing thing that was already there before this actual damage. So this is the last time you're seeing the car like this. It's no longer going to be like this. It's no longer going to have those grills, no longer going to have these mirror caps, and no longer going to have just standard side skirts like this. And going to the back, there's a little spoiler alert, so stay tuned for that. So let's get this car alphamised, and to finish it off, we're going to add the Alpha Custom sticker here, and we're going to get this car alphamised. So stay tuned and let's get crack-a-lacking. So we're going to start off with the wing, and once we remove the wing, we can go onto the arch and remove the bumper too. So that should all be taken off before he comes and sees the car. So let's get straight to it. On a side note, I'm actually fighting with daylight right now, so I need to try and take this off before it gets dark. Otherwise it's going to get a bit harder to do. So let's do it.
Productions. Productions.
Here are the final results. As you can see, the wing is on, fender is on, the wheel is back on too. So next up we just need the headlights fixed and the bumper back on, and then straight to the mods and ready to get this car alphamised.
TP Productions.